To download Klarna payment, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a smartphone with an internet connection. As Klarna is available as a mobile app, open the App Store on your device, such as the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, search for Klarna in the App Store and select the Klarna app from the search results. Click the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up or Log In if you already have an account. If you are signing up, enter your email address and choose a password. Then click on Create Account. You will then be asked to provide some personal and financial information to set up your Klarna account. After setting up your account, you will be able to use Klarna for payments. To do this, simply select Klarna as your payment method at checkout when shopping online, and follow the prompts to complete your payment. You can also use the Klarna app to track your payments and manage your account. It is essential to note that Klarna offers various payment options, including Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing options. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of each option carefully before making a payment. Additionally, ensure you understand the fees and interest rates associated with each payment method. By following these steps, you can easily download and start using Klarna for your payments. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of each payment method carefully, and only use payment options that you are comfortable with.